Here is the weekly market recap brought to you by El Castillo Investments. Markets are buzzing with momentum, and it all kicked off with a sharp drop in Tesla stock, down 8% after Elon Musk announced the launch of his new political group, the America Party. Investors voiced concern that his political ambitions are becoming a distraction, especially with Tesla reporting a 14% drop in Q2 deliveries and intensifying competition in China. At the same time, crypto strategy took center stage. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, announced a $4.2 billion preferred stock offering after seeing a 70% surge in share price, driven by a $14 billion unrealized Bitcoin gain. With over $65 billion in BTC and a pause on new purchases for the first time since April, investors are watching closely to see how this bold approach evolves. Trade tensions added another layer as President Trump revealed new tariffs, up to 40%, on imports from 14 countries including Japan, South Korea, and Malaysia. While aimed at reducing the trade deficit, the move is stoking concerns over global retaliation and price inflation across consumer goods. Meanwhile, Meta made a strategic power play, acquiring a $3.5 billion stake in EssilorLuxottica, the parent of Ray-Ban and Oakley. This deal deepens Meta's push into smart glasses and AI wearables, giving them access to global production and retail networks, all while fueling Zuckerberg's vision for AI-integrated consumer tech. In healthcare, UnitedHealth saw a slight pullback in sentiment. UBS maintained its buy rating but cut its price target from $400 to $385 after cautious guidance from the CEO. Earnings are now expected closer to $20 per share, with softer margins forecasted for Medicare Advantage and Optum Health. But the biggest headline of the week? Bitcoin has shattered records, breaking past $118,000 to a new all-time high. A historic $1.18 billion flowed into Bitcoin ETFs on Thursday alone, the largest single-day inflow of 2025. Ether followed, surging above $3,000 for the first time since February, with $383 million in ETF inflows marking its second biggest day ever. This surge comes as investors digest a divided Federal Reserve and growing speculation over a leadership change at the top. With the looming federal deficit from the proposed One Big Beautiful Bill, Bitcoin is increasingly being viewed as a hedge against fiscal instability. The breakout triggered over $650 million in Bitcoin short liquidations and another $215 million in Ether shorts, fueling the rally even further. For the week, Bitcoin is up nearly 10%, and Ether is up more than 20%. And despite global tensions, markets are still pushing higher. With AI, crypto, and tech leading the way, investor sentiment continues to favor long-term innovation over short-term noise. This is all for this week. For more updates and market insights, follow us at El Castillo Investments.